Okay, this song is called XO by Kelsea Ballerini, so let's do this. You might be sitting there holding my hand, you might be acting like you're my man. When we listen to the cover band, thinking you're a rock star, singing my favorite song, trying to cover up the fact that the girl from your past hasn't been here all along. You still in love with your ex? Oh, and I wanna be nobody second best. No, stop holding on to me when the truth is you can't let go. I think we both know. Ex, oh, well I might be platinum blonde, but I ain't done, baby. I see you're here with me, but you ain't moved on. Sit in the middle of flames still burning, but boy, I ain't your match. You can stop all the pretending, cause when this night's ending, you're still gonna want her back. You're still in love with your ex? Oh, now you wanna be nobody second best? No, stop holding on to me when the truth is you can't let go. I think we both know. I'm looking in your eyes and I can see what you're doing, baby. I'm knowing you're losing it. How you're choosing your ex? Oh, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.